It's broken. What am I going to do? What would Wonderoy do? Where is everybody?
Look! Where's the clock face?
Glitterella! There's trouble at Villa de Villains. Come on! We came as fast as we could. What's wrong? Someone's stolen my clock. I haven't a clue what time it is, and now I left my face mask on too long. Look! Rock solid!
This is not acceptable. I overslept.
That's not like you, Major. Interesting.
It is not interesting. Someone took my alarm clock.
Glitterella's is missing too. And the clock on the tower. And no one's collected the rubbish or turned up for work.
It looks like everybody overslept.
My pink clock. The messer. We'll take care of this.
Not you two.
It's time to give the clocks back.
Never. All that tick-tocking drives me mad. Now leave me alone.
Uh-oh. Look out! I have an idea. Let's make some noise. Go!
No more. No more.
My beautiful clock is destroyed. No problem. I can fix that. Thank you! I can fix that. I can fix clocks. All right. No, I broke Mr. Barker's special clock. The door won't close and the cookie was stuck. It looks really old. Maybe if I could get inside, I might be able to fix it. There's a hole here. You'll never fit in there. We'll see about that. I can do this. That's one finger. Try going in backwards. You mean bottom first?
She's purring like a kitten.
Hi, Dad. What you doing?
Clacky wheel.
Will you pay me if I clean your bike?
Tell you what. Well, I'll give you €2 if you clean all of them.
Deal!
Nice one, son.
So, Bill, that frees you up for the dusting and the cleaning?
Roy's trying to earn some extra pocket money. He'll do it. Sure, Ma'am. If you pay me, I'll do it all.
Okay, but only the ones you've done before. How about €1?
Dad's giving me 2.
Okay, well, how about €3?
Deal! 3 from you, 2 from Dad, and 2 from Becky. That's a lot. €7. Cool! You 3 relax and leave it to me.
Okay, on so.
Pull out the deck chairs, love, huh?
Almost clean!
gonna fall. Look. Here.
Do you think we better take a look?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm stretched to the limit here, but I'm earning big money for the holiday of a lifetime.
Best we just leave him to it.
Finished. I need a holiday. Wait until you see how hard I worked.
Well, why don't you have a rest while we take a look?
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey everybody, won't you come on in? I'm little Roy, and this is Finn.